Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you are doing well. Today's tutorial is based on event binding in Angular and we will see some key points related to event binding. The key points are like definition of a event binding and after that syntax of a event binding, identify the event and execution of a event binding, behalf of mouse click events and mouse hover events and keyword events, and at last interview question based on event binding. In today's tutorial I will clear points till the mouse click event. So first we will see definition of a event binding and so event binding allows us to bind events such as keystroke, click, hover, etc. to a method in a component. It is a one-way data binding from file to component file. Or we can also say that event binding is used to handle the events raised by the user actions like button click, mouse movements, keystrokes, etc. Now we will see second point, that is a syntax of a event binding. We can call event we can execute event binding with the help of two ways. First way is with parenthesis and another way is without parenthesis. In without parenthesis we have to use on keyword to perform a event binding. So first we will see syntax number one. For that I will open my Visual Studio Code and here I will get here I will create a function like get name, and here I will alert a name called prince, and in my HTML file I will create a button to call the method. For that I have to use event binding syntax, that is parenthesis, like inside that I have to write click event, and after that I have to call the function that is present inside my ts file. I get name and pass the value, sorry, it's not value, give value to button as a get name. Let's see on screen. If I click, then a name will be pop up on my screen, like here a event is called and I am able to fetch the value from my ts file. This is the first way. Now I will go for the second way, that is on keyword, or simply I can copy here and paste it here, and instead using parenthesis I can use on keyword, and I after that I have to give hyphen and click and save it, and here I can write on and save it. Let's see the execution part. If I click on, the name should be pop up on my window. Yeah, it's working correctly. The second part is also done correctly for the syntax of event binding. Now our second part is our second key point is working correctly. Now I will go for point number third, that is identify the event. For identifying the event I have to use a keyword called event in my ts file. Like here I have to pass after the string a event at the rate event, and I have to pass event here in parentheses also. Okay, and console it, sorry. console.log. Mm, Sorry guys, instead using dollar I have to use simply event to check what event we are performing on a button. For that I will save this button and I will go in my uh, window or browser. Here if I simply click on button, then you can see on my console a mouse event is performed and a message also displayed, that is a prints which I passed value from my TS file. Now if I change in my here, simply if I use key up event and save it and try to execute, then it will not work because for key up I have to use a input box. Like I will create an input field and simply type here using parentheses. I will use key up event and call a method that is get name and save it. Let's see on my browser. If I type here, then event should be performed in my console like princ. You can see a keyword event is performed. When I try to print a key like p t, if I again I try to key value s, you can see on my screen s is printing. This is the way how we can identify of which event is performing on our browser. Now our 2 point has been done. Now I will go for third point, execution part of event binding, that is a mouse click events. For that I have to open my Visual Studio Code and I'll simply here use a click event, mouse click event and print a value on my console. Here I can use another mouse click event, that is a double click. Okay, and save it and change the name it dbl. Okay, now if I try to click on dbl name, the event is not performing because we have to click on a event button for 2 times to perform a event. Example like this, I have clicked 2 times the on my button, then a event is performed. If I simply click on get name, that is a simple click event, the event is performed. If I try to perform a double name, then it will not perform any event because we have to click 2 times on a button. Here these are the examples of a mouse click events. Now guys, uh, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe, and next tutorial I will show the remaining events like mouse hover events, keyboard events and interview question based on a event binding.